Alright guys, now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your verified Binance account. However, as we proceed, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now, and also allow YouTube algorithm to push out these videos to more people that are interested in creating a verified Binance account from Nigeria. So what you just want to do is to go over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then come right here to search for Binance and download Binance. So right now we just have to wait for this to finish downloading, then we follow the next process in creating our verified Binance account from Nigeria. So right now it's actually installing, so we just have to wait. So right now we are done installing, downloading and installing our Binance app. The next thing you want to do right here is to come down to open. So it's going to be opening an interface where you need to set up your account. So right here it says, would you like to send you notification? Binance would like to send you notification, so allow. Now before we proceed, let me quickly announce to you what Binance is used for. Most people call this Binance wallet, also known as Binance Web3 wallet. It's a self-custody cryptocurrency wallet integrated within the Binance app. It provides users with a secure and convenient way to manage their digital assets, access decentralized applications, and interact with Web3 ecosystem. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering features like token swap across different blockchains and access to various protocols. Okay, so right here when you create your account, you have access to actually send and receive funds through your account using different wallets on your account. So right here you can actually see it, tell us about yourself. I am new to crypto, I am familiar with crypto. So since you're actually coming to this particular interface to set an account on your Binance, all you just need to do is to click on I am new to crypto. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over to the next interface. So this interface actually proceeds the registration and creation of your account. So right here you can actually see welcome to Binance. Right here you just have to put in an email address you've not used on Binance before. If you're actually creating a new Binance account, now if you already have a Binance account, you can actually go ahead creating another one with a separate email address with different means of identification. So right here what we're going to do is to input our email address. So I'm going to input mine right here. So we just need to complete this process. So after putting my email address, then I'm going to come down right here and click on next. So we're actually setting up a new account. Now a verification code will be sent to that email address, so I just have to put in that verification code right here. So you can see the notification right here. So I'm going to open this message right here and copy this verification code. As you can see, once I copy this, I'm going to go back to my Binance app and I'm going to paste this right here. Then I'm going to proceed to the next stage. So right here it says create a password. So I'm going to come right here and create a password. But before creating a password, you can see 8 to 128 characters, at least one number, at least one uppercase letter. So I'm just going to come right here to input my password. So let me go ahead and input my password. So right here you can see 8 to 128 characters ticked green. At least one number ticked green, at least one uppercase ticked green. So this is what you should have while creating your account. So right here we are going to click on next right here. So once we click on next, we are just going to be brought into the next interface. So right here, these are the processes of you creating your account, because you actually need to verify your account just like the way you're creating your bank account, because once you have an access to your account, you can quickly send and receive funds. So right here it says welcome aboard. So right here you just have to come down to click on next. Okay, but before that, you can see right here that it says the referral program is not supported in your region. So we don't actually have access to the referral code, which actually gives access while you are trading. You can actually get some discounts while you are trading on your Binance. So that is the benefit of having the referral code. But nevertheless, let's just come down and click on next right here. As you can see, we are going to be brought into the next interface. So I think this next piece, we just need to verify our identity. So right here it says let's get you verified. Resident is Nigeria, nationality is Nigeria, verify with BVN or NIN. So you are going to choose which you want to use. So right here, let me say we are verifying with NIN. So we are going to put in our NIN number right here. Right here it says don't have BVN or NIN, verify with ID document. So right here we can just go ahead to say we want to verify with ID document, whether your international passport. I'm going to click this right here. So you can see right here So under documents, you can see ID card recommended. We have passport and driver's license. That is if you don't want to verify your account with NIN or BVN. So right here, I'm going to be using my international passport for this. So I'm going to click on passport and I'm going to click on continue. So right here, it says I should take a picture or I should upload a photo. So I'm going to click on upload a photo and I'm going to come down right here and click on continue. But before that, it says please use the original ID. Copies or screenshots are not accepted. Okay, so ensure all information is visible. Damaged or expired IDs are not acceptable. So I already have the screenshot on my device. So what I'm going to do is to take a picture instead, so I don't have any issues while verifying my ID. So let me come right to take a picture and I'm going to click on continue. Now they are going to be having access to my camera, so I'm going to do this and I'm going to get back to this video. So I am done uploading my international passport. So this is the next interface where it says please ensure your face is clearly visible and no other person in the background. So maximize the screen brightness, wear lit area, no glasses, mask, hat. So I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to set my camera, set my face right here to do this.
Blink your eyes. Good. Open your mouth. Good. Shake your head. Good.
And so right here is actually processing. So let's hold on. So they said confirm information. So these are the information they actually gathered for my international passport. So I'm going to come right here and put in my postal code and I'm putting my residential address. So I'm going to confirm this postal code. I'm going to confirm the postal code. So I'm done with all this. You can see that these are my details right here. I've actually inserted all my details. So I'm going to come right here and click on continue. So validating address, this may take less than 10 minutes. So let's just hold on. So these are the process you are going to take for you to get your account verified on Binance. As you can see right here under review, you will receive an email app notification once the review is completed. Meanwhile, please feel free to explore our website app. Estimated time is 15 minutes. So as you can see right here, that this is the message I got after waiting for 15 minutes to get verified. It says existing account detected. Please use existing account. This is the email address of the existing account. Our record indicates you already have a verified Binance account. Binance does not allow more than one verified account. So this video is also made to let you know that it is not allowed to have more than one account on Binance. So if you already have an account on Binance, just go ahead to log into your account. If you don't remember the password, go over to forget password and get back your existing Binance account. As you can see right here, that I am not allowed to verify because their system already detected I already have a verified Binance account. So these are the process you can actually use to create your account. When you go ahead to close this right here, you can actually see that this account has been created but the verification process was declined. So when you come down to later, you can actually see that this is an account created on Binance but it is not verified. You can create multiple accounts on Binance but verification is the problem, because you can actually verify more than one account. So creating an account on Binance needs you to verify just one account. So I'm going to be logging into my previous account to show you some things you need to know about Binance. So since I have an account on Binance, I'm not going to come down to create a Binance account. I'm going to be logging into my existing verified Binance account. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to show you some features you need to know about using Binance. So right here, this is my email address. That's my verified Binance account. So if you already have an existing verified Binance account, just go ahead to use that and log in instead of creating another account that you can't verify. So right here, you can actually see verifying my passkey. I already have a verified account on Binance. So when you create an account on Binance, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you can actually see different coin wallets right here. For you looking for your Binance ID that you actually want to use to place on a platform for withdrawal, just come up to where you're actually seeing the Binance icon, click on that. You can actually see that this is your Binance ID. Just go ahead to copy this, then paste to wherever you actually want to transfer funds from. That is your Binance ID. So actually when you want to receive funds, this is your Binance wallet. Just click on that. This is your Binance wallet. So you can actually copy the address to your Binance and also use that to send funds into your Binance account. And so you can actually see available networks on your Binance account. So when you come over to add funds right here, this is the place where you can actually deposit funds into your account. Also you can see buy with USD, you can see receive via Binance Pay add funds, deposit crypto, title, just come down to this particular one. You can actually see networks you can use to deposit into your account. Let's say you actually want to deposit using any of these network right here. Let's say we are going for the BNB, so just click on that and it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually select which of the networks you want to use in funding your account. Now let's say we want to actually go for the BNB smart chain, that is the PEP20. Let's click on that and it's going to direct you over to where you can copy your wallet address and actually paste this wallet address to any of the platform you actually want to send in funds to. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from your verified Binance account down to your Nigeria bank account. And so that is how you can create a verified Binance account and follow the process of funding your account. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. See you on my next video and keep winning.